Hi, I'm Liz Sneddon. Let's have a look at the answer to question 2b, part 1. So, I've got some more information here. Now, this is talking about year 11 students. So, the previous information was about year 13s. So, this is now talking about a new group of 260 year 11s. And from those students, there are 127 of them that self-classify as snorers. So we're assuming that those students have the same risk of getting a not achieved as the year 13s, and that the risk of it is also the same for snorers and non-snorers compared to those year 13s. So we want to know how many of this group would you expect to gain achievement or better. So that word expect is a key one that we look for, and as soon as I see expect, my brain goes straight to E equals N times P, where N is my sample size or number of trials, and P is the probability. So this is where I want to go. I need to get to this expected value. So we've got two things going on here. We've got to find how many would we expect to get achievement. So that's talking about students, some of whom will be snorers and some who will be not snorers. And we know that the probability was different for those two groups. So I'm going to first of all find the expected value for the snoring group. And then I'm going to find the expected value for the non-snoring group and combine them together. So for the snoring group, well, from the year 11s, we have 127 who are snorers. And I'm going to use the probability from my year 13 of getting an achievement. So the achievement for snorers, well, there's 91 out of 123. So times 91 out of 123, and that is going to give me a value of 94. Now I'm going to find the expected value for the non-snorers. So I need to work out, well, I've got 260 year 11 students, take away 127 of them that are snorers, and that leaves me with 133 of them that are non-snorers. So I'm going to do 133 times, now I've got to do the chance of achieving if you're a non-snorer and using the year 13's data. So I've got 68 students out of 78 that I'll use as my probability. So 68 over 78. I multiply that out, and that gives me 116. So now I can put that together and find the total expected value for both the snoring and the non-snoring group. Is I'm going to add these together, and that's going to give me 210, and the units for that is in terms of the number of students. So we expect 210 out of the 260 year 11 students I expect to get to an achievement or better, based on the assumption of the probabilities remaining the same. Thanks for watching.